So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the HBO Max bundle. Don't forget to ensure both of the plan is still active because you cannot watch HBO on Eastern or Western time with not having YouTube TV base plan and also the HBO Max plan in the first place. Just adding the disclaimer here, so YouTube TV official do not say that to subscribe to HBO Max, you need to buy the YouTube TV base plan first. Only these channels that are required YouTube TV base plan to purchase. But as you will see in the practice, we cannot just buy the HBO Max plan as a standalone plan, and you may have a different experience than we do. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, to buy those two plans, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And here on the HBO Max, you want to click on it. And as you can see, if you want to buy the HBO Max bundle, you must have the YouTube TV base plan first. And if you don't have that yet, you have to purchase both of the plans at once. But if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you are eligible to purchase just the HBO Max. But either way, click on next and then complete the purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch the HBO, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then here you want to search for HBO. On HBO Max, you want to click on it. And then here you may scroll down. And as you can see on the live session, you can just choose whether you want to watch the HBO on Eastern Time on HBO East, or HBO on Western Time, or Pacific Time on HBO West. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch HBO on Eastern or Western Time. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.